Hello guys, hope you are all doing well. Welcome to another video. In this video, we will be watching how we can form US LLC after completing the requirements. If you have not watched my old video, I think you should go to that video. I will put the link of that video here. Uh, so you should watch that video first because in that video I have told about all the requirements which you have to complete before going for LLC formation or for processing your LLC. So after completing the requirements, we have two options. First option is going with the third party, as I told in my older video. So let's go with Busy. There are multiple other options as well. This is not a sponsored video. I am just guiding you people that there are multiple options out there. You will have to do some research and choose wisely. So one of them is Busy. It is a very popular website. So I am uh, giving you a go through of this website. So let's see what we got here. So there are multiple options here on this website, but as I told earlier, you should choose wisely. So first of all, you will have to pick entity. Entity means the category or the type of your company. We will be going with LLC. Select the state. I am selecting Texas just for the sake of example. Click start my business, and after clicking that, they will be showing you multiple packages. One of them is basic and other is standard and premium. Let's see them in detail what they have got for us. So the first option is basic package, which is of $0 plus $300 state fee. So the processing time is 4 weeks as they are claiming. Actual thing is a bit different. So let's see what is included. First of all, they will be giving you a statement of organizer. That is not a big deal. You can download it from Google. And banking resolution, I have never seen that banking resolutions. You are demanded for banking resolution from anywhere. I have never seen this. Unlimited name searches. If you have seen my old video, then you can do this by yourself as well. So next is free first year registered agent service. So this is an important thing to understand that they are giving free registered agent services only for first year. If you are getting their services, they will be charging you a lot from the second year, which is almost $125 per year from the next year. So it is not even very easy to change your registered agent. So that also involves uh, cost. So you should choosing your registered agent from first year accordingly. So they are giving first year registered agent service for free, and for expedited filing they are charging plus $50. If you go with directly with the state, you will automatically in the expedited queue because they are giving expedited filing only from their side. They will be submitting your documents earlier if you choose this option. Otherwise, maybe your documents are in queue. They will be applying for the other clients first and then for your. Uh, then for the expedited filing, they are charging $50 extra, which you can save by filing it by yourself with the state. Next is business contract templates that are also not useful as far as my opinion. EIN is an important and compulsory thing. They are charging plus $70 in their basic package, and in their standard package, they will not be charging anything, but for the package itself, they are charging $200 extra. So, more important thing is the processing time of EIN. They are taking a lot of time. I have heard complaints from multiple of my clients that they first went to them and they have not received the EIN even after 2 months of applying. So you should be aware of this as well. you should ask them first that what will be the time for getting EIN. So the time from the state or the from IRS. The IRS is handling the matters of EIN. So the IRS is taking almost 4 to 7 business days, but it is also taking a lot time nowadays. I don't know when you will be watching this video, maybe that thing gets better. But for now, IRS is itself taking almost 1 month to 45 days for issuing an EIN. And then automatically you are going with the third party, they will be getting more time than that time. Even you can say they will be taking minimum 3 months for only issuing EIN for you. So you should be aware of this as well. So if you are applying EIN by yourself, then you will be getting EIN in 1 month to 45 days for now. If it goes back to normal routine, then you can get EIN in 10 days only. We were providing our clients EIN in only 10 days, but it is now taking almost 1 month minimum. So next is operating agreement. Operating agreement, you can also download it from Google and use it. Domain name and business email, it is not included in basic package. They are including it only in premium package. So let's skip it. Business phone number is also, I think, useless thing. You can buy it by yourself. I will be creating another video for this. Other all things are, I think, useless. Next is, if you are going with the basic package or for standard package, for example, click get started. After clicking get started, there will be another form. You will be typing your LLC name, and after typing your LLC name, you will be clicking next, and they're processing your information. And after that, they are giving you an offer of 4 business days filing for $50 extra. Let's click that option as well. And after clicking next, you can see they will be asking for your details. I am just putting my name just for showing you. I am putting my phone number as well here. And after putting my email address here, I will be clicking next, and they're asking what will be my email be used for. This is only an informational line. After clicking next, they are asking to correct my number. After correcting my number, let's click next. I don't know why they are not accepting my number. I think this is a problem in our country. You can check for your country if they are allowing you to put your number or not. I am putting my US number, and for US they are also saying that this number is incorrect. I don't know why. Let me sort it out. Unfortunately, I was unable to solve this error. I think this is a glitch from their website, or the other possibilities that they have blocked our country's IP, because I have also heard about this as well. Uh, Honestly speaking, I have never filed an LLC from them almost from 2 to 3 years. I have filed with them. Uh, before 2 or 3 years. So I don't know much about that error as well. So no problem, you can try, or you can contact their support and they will be sorting it out for you. So after clicking next, they will be asking for your address. You should be providing your unique address to them, because if you are not providing your unique address, or if you are providing your local address, there are many chances that on your EIN letter and on your company documents, there will be your local address mentioned. So you should be aware of it as well, that if you want your address on your LLC documents, or you want US address on your LLC documents, so the address you are providing them will be replicated on your LLC documents and the EIN letter as well. So that was the first option we can go with while forming an LLC. Second option is filing an LLC with the state directly. For that purpose, you will be only uh, searching for form an LLC Florida Sunbiz. Sunbiz is their official website for LLC formation. So after skipping the sponsored result, I am going for this article of organization for Florida Limited Liability Company. I am again repeating that I am going for direct filing of LLC with the state. So here it is, and I have read the accept the terms of this disclaimer. Click ticket and file articles of organization. Click start new filing. After clicking start new filing, there will be a form there, and you will have to fill it out. Let's see what we will have to fill it. There is an effective date. If you want your LLC to be active from a future date, you will be putting your date here. After that, certificate of status and certified copies. If you want these documents, you will be ticking there, but they will be charging extra for it. After checking the LLC name, which I mentioned in the earlier video, you will be putting your LLC name here, and after that you will be putting your LLC address here. And after that, if your mailing address is same as the principal address, which is almost same in our cases, you will be only ticking this option. And after that, you will be putting your registered agent, which we have bought from the registered agent website uh, directly, or if you are going with the Busy or any third party website, they will be arranging that by themselves. You will not have to do anything from here. So after if you have bought registered agent by yourself, you will be putting his details here along with his name and the address and registered agent signature. And after that, other provisions are optional. You do not have to provide necessarily. And after that, you will be putting your name and email address here on which you want to receive the annual reporting information or any other important notices about your LLC. So after that, you will be putting your name or managing member name, or you can say LLC owner's name. You will be putting it here. Last name is first here, and first name is second in second block here. After that, you will be putting your address which you want to reflect on your LLC documents. And if there are multiple members, then you will be putting for each of the members all fill all the details. And after filling all the details, this was the last thing you have to put, and after that you will be clicking continue. And after clicking continue, they will be asking you to provide payment details. That will be a credit or debit card, which can be of your country as well, or you can use USD currency account like Payoneer or any other digital US bank account as well. After making the payment, they will be sending you LLC documents almost after a week or 10 days, depending upon the workload they have. So all the states work same like that. Like if we are going with Montana, you can search Montana LLC formation. You can type SOS with it. SOS stands for Secretary of State. You are going with Secretary of State website for filing your LLC. So you can go here, business services. Listen, there are some websites that require you to create an account or ID on their website. Some of the state have this compulsion. So you will be going to their website, and after going to their website, there will be an option to log in or to create an ID. After clicking login, they are giving an option of create an account. You will be giving your information, and after giving information, you will be creating your account. And after the account is created, you can file your LLC with them. All the states work same like that. There can be a difference in interface of the website, but the main thing is LLC filing, which is almost same on all website or on all state website. So I have given you a demonstration of two states like of Montana and for Florida. I cannot provide demonstration for all the states, unfortunately, because there are almost 50 states in the US, and we cannot uh, see the demonstration for all the states. You can do some research and you can file an LLC with any state of your choice very easily. If there are any questions, you may ask them in the comments. And as I mentioned in all my videos, that I am not very fluent in English, but if you have any confusion or anything which you could not understand, you can comment in under my video, and I will be elaborating. As I am not good in speaking English, but I am good in typing and understanding it. As you know, that is my second language, you can say. So no problem. If you want our services for LLC formation, you can also come to us by coming to our website, thealphacommerce.com, and after that you can click the WhatsApp button. Then you can contact our team directly, and we will be guiding you through all the process. Thank you so much for watching, and happy selling. Stay tuned. Goodbye.